Our business reporter Ed Boyd is with us. We have, of course, seen a horrific week on the markets. The shares still falling today, Ed?
Ash, yes, unfortunately shares are still falling today. The Aussie stocks are down about 0.6% today, so the coronavirus is clearly still front and mind for a lot of Aussie investors. Global markets have actually started to stabilise a bit. Overnight we saw the US and markets in the European area also stabilising, so hopefully that'll come through to Australia soon. Maybe we'll see the market pick up a bit later today, but the first 3 days of this week were a shocker for Australian shares. Our market lost 6% in value. That's $136 billion was wiped off the Australian Stock Exchange the first 3 days of this week, and hopefully we're starting to bottom out now. The longer this virus goes on, the more of an effect it's going to have on Australian business. This week we're coming to the end of the company reporting season, and there were 2 businesses today that did talk about the coronavirus in their profit results. A2 Milk, the infant formula and milk producer from New Zealand, had a strong half year. Their profit was up 21%, and they've actually said they're benefiting from the coronavirus. They're saying sales in China during January and February this year have gone up, and the chief executive Jeff Babbage this morning has attributed that to the coronavirus. Take a listen.
Clearly, a product such as ours is not discretionary. We've got a very good brand franchise in China, and we're clearly getting pull-through of our product at this point of time. Look, we're uncertain as to how that's going to play out for the rest of the financial year. It could be positive, it could be negative, and that's what we've advised the market today.
So the coronavirus has been a bit of a positive for A2 Milk, but it's been a real negative for Flight Centre. Flight Centre today came out and slashed their full-year profit guidance by $70 million, saying corporate travel bookings to China have really decreased. Bookings to Singapore have dropped as well, and a lot of customers are choosing to holiday in other parts of the world. They're moving away from the Asian market, and that's really affected Flight Centre. So Ash, the longer this virus goes on, the more of an effect it will have on Australian business.